Okay, today we're going to be fixing a weak flowing faucet. So to fix this faucet, I'm using some cleaning vinegar. Cleaning vinegar is a stronger acid concentration than your standard distilled white vinegar. Cleaning vinegar is not for cooking. So I removed all the aerators from all of my faucets, placed them in a glass, and filled the glass with some of the cleaning vinegar. And I let it soak for a few hours. That's your first thing you want to try with a weak flowing faucet is cleaning the aerators. You can also replace the aerator if cleaning it doesn't help. And I always leave the rubber grommets out, so I'm not exposing the rubber grommets to the acidic vinegar. After a couple hours, ones that were really caked with the calcium and mineral deposits, see, they look a lot better. And I just use a spoon to gently scrape off any stubborn areas. It comes off pretty quick and easily, not hard to do. And you can see how cloudy that vinegar has turned now in that glass. And if vinegar bothers your skin, I recommend wearing gloves for this procedure. And if you have a pull down or pull out faucet, you also want to check the hose, make sure it's not getting kinked under the sink. Or you could try replacing the spray head in its entirety. You can also try taking it apart and cleaning it out. Because if you live in an area like I do here in Colorado, where we have hard water, the high mineral content in the water will build up over time inside and outside the aerators, restricting the flow out of the faucet, causing a weaker flow. And if cleaning the aerators or replacing the aerators doesn't fix your problem, with the aerators off, turn the faucet on and see if you have full flow. If you don't, then that might suggest you have a restriction or a bad cartridge you need to replace inside the faucet itself. So you can see how cloudy that water is and all the minerals floating around in that vinegar, not water. I use straight vinegar, cleaning vinegar. Let's screw the aerators back on. Remember to put your rubber grommet in there. And take your time, don't cross thread it. And ideally these should just be hand tight. And we'll turn the water on and see what we get. That's a lot better. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.